Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. This is Monica Nigam.
So today I'm going to tell you about makeup brushes. There are two types of makeup brushes. One is powder brushes like this, and other is synthetic brushes like this. These are synthetic brushes. So powder brushes are used for powder product like powder blush, powder contour, powder bronzer, etc. Synthetic brushes. These are synthetic brushes. These are used for working with liquid product like liquid blush, liquid highlighter, liquid contouring and foundation, your moisturizer and primer, etc. How to clean your brushes? Like I have told you, there are two brushes, synthetic brushes and powder brushes.
First method I'm going to tell you instant cleaning, जो बहुत ही फटाफट आपके brushes clean कर देता है.
So there are a lot of brands are available in the market for cleaning your brushes like MAC and CS Essential, and one more is PAC. And if you ask me my favorite one, that I recommend you, MAC is the best, and it is quite expensive. If you want to go in an affordable price, then CS Essential is also good brand, and then one is PAC. So I'm going to show you all these products. First is MAC, this one. This one is my favorite. And second is this, CS Essential. And third one is PAC. ये जो PAC और CS Essential है, इसकी जो स्मेल है वो थोड़ी सी स्ट्रॉन्ग है. अगर आप बहुत ही सेंसिटिव हैं और आपको स्मेल पसंद नहीं है, तो इसकी स्मेल स्ट्रॉन्ग है, विच आई रियली डोंट लाइक इट. और मैक की कोई स्मेल नहीं है, एंड दिस इज़ द बेस्ट ऑप्शन फॉर क्लीनिंग योर ब्रशेस.
The cost of this product is rupees 1300. The cost of this product is rupees 638. And cost of this product is rupees 995.
Like I have told you first method, and the second method is washing method. This is like you can wash your brushes with baby shampoo like this. And for that you will have to let the brushes dry overnight. I hope this video clears all your doubt. If there is any doubt, please tell me in the comment box, so I will try to help you. And please keep supporting and please showing your love. Thanks. Bye.